Hey guys, I thought for today I would do something a little bit different. It is Friday afternoon, so I'm not really looking to place any trades at the moment. I don't tend to trade too much on Fridays anyway, just because the market is winding down. But we can start to get a good sense of maybe trades that we can start looking forward to for Monday. So I thought what I would do is a little bit of a markup so you guys can see how I mark up my charts, and yeah, do it in the sun because it's nice and sunny, and why not? So I'm just going to sit out here, enjoy, mark up my charts with you guys, and let's see what the market is saying for next week. Okay, so I do have a couple of trades that are currently open. I've got CHF JPY, which I was going in for a sell, so I'm just waiting for that one to come down through this Ichimoku cloud here. And I am using the pivot scanner with IM Academy. It is a fantastic tool. I absolutely love it. Just makes trading so much easier. But we're not going to be looking at this too much today. We're going to be using some actual charts. Again, this is another one that I am still in. Actually, no, I'm not in this one yet. So this one is one that I have a sell stop for. So price has broken through this trend line here that I've drawn up, and then I've got, I've drawn a Fibonacci line to see where it's most likely to hit areas of resistance. I'm just waiting for price to hit the golden marker here, the 786, and then I'll be entered in the trade, hopefully to catch 30 pips. Nice. CAD. Okay, cool. So you can see here that I've kind of got a lot going on. You don't really need this much. You don't need very many indicators. Sometimes the best trading happens when it's just using lines and boxes. So I'm going to clear everything that I've got going on here, and let's start from scratch. Yes, this is a really nice trend line, and actually I've missed out on this one. I could have caught a nice, how much? 53 pips. Let's see what the areas of resistance were. Nice. So that's okay, we can always look at more. GJ is currently consolidating. To be honest, I like to stay away from areas of consolidation. Doesn't really work with the strategy that I like to use. See, I really like these breakouts. Super nice. Really nice breakout. Even here. I mean, that one is a bit steep, but you still could trade that one. Basically what I'm looking for is a really strong uptrend or downtrend, like a really nice channel. And then that way I can predict when it's going to break out and where I can catch about 30 pips on average. And then I'll change my little flag to tell me that I've got one waiting. Okay, browsers. Okay, so that is pretty much it. So it's kind of funny because with trading, it always feels like super complicated. There's so many numbers and so many different indicators and things like that, but really it is as simple as using a line, and then the rest of the analysis happens when you have price actually breaking out of that range. So when I get a notification that price has touched my trend line and is breaking it, that is when I swoop in and do some deeper analysis to find my best point of entry so that I can have a really nice pew pew sniper entry. Or that's the idea. I think people really do love to kind of overcomplicate things, and I think that also comes with the kind of desperation and scarcity mindset factor. Everyone's trying to use all these different indicators so that they can be the most successful and try and get as much money as you can. And actually it's all about just having less is more. The more simple your strategy, the better, and then because it's more simple for you, you're going to be more relaxed and you're probably going to have a much higher success rate as well. So yes, I use lots of different scanners, yes, I use lots of different strategies, but when it comes to actually doing my bread and butter strategy that I talk about, my day-to-day, super easy, super basic, this is literally it. The skill comes in your learning and understanding how to analyze charts. And because I've done it so many times, I can literally just look at a chart and understand where price is going to hit, where it's most likely to see areas of resistance, but that has come with practice. That wasn't just an innate skill. I've been doing this now for almost 9 months. So 9 months of looking at charts day in, day out, morning, night, breaks, traveling to work, all the time, analyzing, and now it does feel like second nature. In terms of what my main strategy is, this is it, drawing one line. Let me know if you guys would like to see any other kind of strategies that I use, or perhaps we could do another session where I talk about how I get my clean entries. But otherwise, that's kind of it for me. Somebody did suggest that I do a live trading session. So I don't know, I'm doing all sorts of crazy things right now. So if you guys want to do a live session trading with me, hit me up in the comments. And yeah, I hope you guys have a really lovely weekend. I will actually be, what's the date today? Today is the 24th of April. So all of these currency pairs that I have flagged, I'll be looking at 6 AM Monday morning to see how they move, and hopefully catching some nice pips before breakfast. Some people may find this really boring in that, oh, she doesn't use flashy indicators, or oh, she doesn't do this and doesn't do that, but guys, the results speak for themselves. Okay, make sure you're following me over on Trade Creative so you can keep up with me over there. And like I say, if you have any questions, message me there, because I'm on my phone 24/7 and not really hanging out on YouTube too much. I like to hang out on Instagram. So catch me on my hotline bling, and I will see you guys later. Have a good weekend. Bye.